All right. So for my classroom site project, I have created a Weebly. I am new to my district this year, and so this is really important to have. My old district, I had an awesome Weebly account that I had built on for 4 years. So this is a work in progress. A few things to know: I'm an eighth grade math teacher, and so I did start this at the beginning of the year, but I just added a ton of helpful stuff and put a lot of new things in here that I think are going to be helpful for next year. The first thing I'm really excited about is going to be this Flipgrid post. I just added that, which I'm super duper excited about. I'll touch base on in a minute. So the purpose of my website is mainly for students and parents to find information about what they're missing in math or what they can be working on in math. I just uploaded this awesome calendar, and this calendar is kind of what we're doing the next few weeks in school. So this is my lesson plan book. It's embedded into the Weebly so that students can see what their homework is and what they can be working on if they have any missing assignments or what's coming up if they're gone. So that's the purpose for that. Down below, I do have a classroom Instagram site. This is my first year with an Instagram, but I thought that would be great for parents. I have my contact information on here with my email address and our school work number. Okay, and so up above, something I should point out before we get started is I put all of the flipped classroom videos that my department has put in here by unit. This is going to need to change over the summer because we're getting a new algebra curriculum. So say students are going to use Unit 2, or we're in Unit 2, they can go in and watch their notes from home if they're absent. This is also a way for them to have ownership in the classroom by working ahead and differentiating curriculum where need be. So again, we're getting a brand new curriculum. All these I'm going to have to change this summer. Good times. Here I have all the 8th grade math videos as well. Since it's my first year in the district, I took a lot of videos from other teachers. My hope is to create all of these this summer or get a head start on those as well for the flipped classrooms for students. I don't always do flipped classroom, but this is definitely going to help them. Another thing I did or started to do was put the targets here and a few answer keys regarding work and study guides. Hopefully I can get some more of these up because this will be really helpful for students. But what I'm really excited about is this Flipgrid post. So I've been inspired by our class so far with the Flipgrid. And my hope is to post different Flipgrids probably a couple times a month, a couple times per chapter, if you will, to allow students to reflect on their learning. So far I've recorded these 6 for the first 6 chapters of my 8th grade math class. And I've put the codes there. I need to figure out how to embed those as well. But I've put the codes there so students can click on them. I want students to collaborate more in my class. So my goal with this is that students will be able to collaborate and chat and help each other out with common errors or common misconceptions in their math homework. Down below, I just made myself a little to-do list of things I need to do over the summer regarding Flipgrid. But I'm excited for students to collaborate and work together. That's one of my goals. Another goal, I would love to find something like that survey we took with the matrix where you had to rank yourself. I would love to find that because another thing that's really big in my district right now is standards and standards-based grading. So if anybody has anything like that where I could see what students rank themselves and they can kind of compare to other people in the class, I would love to put targets in each chapter with the Common Core State Standard. By doing that, I'm allowing students to goal set and to have a better idea as where they're at in their learning. My goal is to allow my students to be self-directed lifelong learners. I want them to collaborate, and I want them to be successful when they go off to high school. And so by integrating this Flipgrid post and having a website where they can find all the information for math, I'm hoping to better help them, guide them towards their future. So again, if you would like to see this, Swiderski8gmss.weebly.com. My contact information is in here. There's still a lot of work to do on this, a lot of work in progress, but I'm trying. So I'm going to put that video as well for parents here under the Parents tab and kind of just go from there. So I'm looking forward to seeing where this takes me. Again, Flipgrid, I'm really excited about that. I'm looking for some more interactive stuff as well. If anybody has any ideas for any interactive, rank yourself, kind of matrixy type things, please let me know because I would love to start doing some more stuff with standards-based grading and goal setting. So that's a little bit about my Classroom Weebly. I'm looking forward to continuing to develop this and do what's best for students.